Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today we'll explain how to import an existing project into Premiere Pro. Let's begin! Let's start! First, double-click in the project panel to display the import dialog. Select the existing project you want to load and click Open. A window like this will be displayed. First, try importing the entire project. Select Import Entire Project and click the OK button. Then, all the clips and sequences present in the existing project have been added to the project panel. Next, let's import only one part of the sequence. Similarly to the previous step, we will display the window for reading settings. Here, select Import Selected Sequence, then click the OK button. Then you can select the sequence you want to import from the sequences existing in the existing project. Select the sequence you want to import and click the OK button. Then the selected sequence is added to the project panel. The clips used in the selected sequence will be added as well. You can import loaded clips and sequences into folders. In the window above, check Create Folder for Imported Items and then Import. Then, the imported items will be stored in one folder. Now you can import your existing project. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.